Okay, guys, we're going to cut up some yellow squash to French fry. I wish I had one of those French fry cutters, and I do somewhere. Or I did. Let's put it that way. I did. But I'm going to get another one. But anyhow, we're going to cut these up to French fry. I'm just cutting off the bottoms. And there is me, Sunny, Dusty, and Blue. So I don't know if Blue will eat any, but just in case, I want to make sure I have enough. And this is a lot. I know this is a lot. But that's okay. Okay, now, all I'm going to do, since I don't have a cutter, I'm just going to slice them just like I do for French fries. Just like I do potatoes for French fries. Just like that. That one's a little thick, so I'm going to slice him right here in the middle. And then literally we're just going to cut them into French fries, just like that. Simple and plain. You can cut them how you want. You can cut them holding in your hand. However, these are just kind of odd shapes, so just holding them like that. That's a little thick, so let's go ahead and cut it. And then all we'll do with these guys is put them in some egg and milk wash. Actually, I don't even know if I have an egg. It may just be a milk wash today. Sunny has eggs because, you know, she has chickens, but I don't know that I have any over here. So, whoops. Just be careful and don't slash your finger, you know. Okay, I'll be back when I get them all cut up and ready to fry. Okay, now, all I had was my milk. I don't have any egg. Hey, or is anybody over there that can bring me an egg or two? If not really. Okay, that's fine. All right, love you, bye. Okay, that was Sunny. Yep, no eggs. So, look. I'm going to take my famous salt, y'all, and I'm putting it in my flour. And I use flour, and I know that's a lot of salt, but it won't get on all the stuff, guys. Think about it. It's in the flour, so it's going to, you know, kind of get on everything as we put it in there, okay? Now, I take just my plain milk, because that's all I've got. I'm just going to take me 1 handful of squash and put it in my milk. Then I'm going to take those squash and put them in my flour. See? And just shake them around. Look, you want your grease to 350. I don't measure my temperature, but you want your squash good and evenly coated. Now, some people put meal also in there. I don't. And when I go to fry them, guys, I just pick it up and I put one in. And if it's frying good like that, then I feel like my grease is ready. I don't overcrowd. Y'all know when I fry, I don't overcrowd. I just put a few in. They won't take long because they're cut in French fries. And your fruit, squash is a soft fruit when it's done. So we don't want to, like, you know, over-fry them. But I knock my flour off just like that so that I don't hopefully burn my grease before I get all my squash done. And like, again, I did not have any egg to put in my wash. We just used the milk as the liquid to make our squash wet so that the flour would get on them more. Now with the egg, it would be better, but you know, we do what we had to do with, right? So that's okay. So we're gonna do these, fry them up. I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, I'm back. See how they're already starting to turn pretty and brown? You just kind of want to make sure you keep them turned, because they're gonna, listen, squash is gonna flip on you. but just kind of keep them turned the best you can to where all sides get brown. I turn my grease down to an 8. I usually fry on a 7 or an 8. I may turn them on down to 7. We'll just see. See how they just keep flipping like that. You just have to kind of keep turning them, guys. Keep turning them. And you don't, like I said, you don't have to cook them long. They cook way faster than a French fry. Now that I'm seeing how much this is, I probably will only cook another maybe 2 cookings, and then I'm going to fry Blue and Moe and Wilder an actual potato. Because I don't think they'll eat the squash. But I would tell you, you fry them till they float, but squash are so lightweight until you saw when I put them in there, they were already floating. So just get them as brown as you want them, like that. I do have my strainer over there with a coffee filter on it, and I've got my cookie cooler rack underneath, and then a cookie pan under that, so you know it'll catch all the grease. Of course, my sheet should catch all the grease, but just in case some goes through. But see how simple and easy? All right, I'll be back whenever we get ready to eat, guys.